Hello, today we will guide you through how to sync Gmail with Outlook. To get started, open Gmail and go to your inbox. This first part is important because before Outlook can sync properly with your Gmail account, you need to make sure Gmail is set up to allow access through IMAP. IMAP is the setting that lets your email stay connected across devices and apps, so messages, folders, and red status can stay in sync. Once you're in Gmail, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. When the Quick Settings panel appears, choose See All Settings. This will open the full settings page where you'll have access to the options needed for mail syncing. Next, click on the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab. In this section, check that IMAP access is turned on. If it isn't already enabled, switch it on here. This step allows Outlook to connect to your Gmail account and retrieve your email properly. If you skip this, Outlook may not be able to complete the setup or sync your mailbox the way you expect. After confirming that IMAP access is enabled, click Save. Saving your changes is essential, so Gmail applies the updated setting. It's a simple step, but an easy one to miss, so take a moment to make sure the changes have been confirmed before moving on. Now open Outlook. Once Outlook is on screen, go to the top right corner and click Settings. From there, select Account. This is where Outlook manages connected email accounts and lets you add new ones for syncing. In the Account section, click Add Account. Outlook will then guide you through the on-screen process to add your Gmail account and complete the sync. Follow the prompts carefully as they appear. Depending on your version of Outlook, the wording or layout may look slightly different, but the overall process is the same. You'll just continue through the setup screens until the account is connected. As you go through the prompts, make sure you're choosing the Gmail account you want to sync and reviewing each screen before continuing. If Outlook asks for permission to access your Gmail, that is typically part of the normal connection process. Once the setup is complete, Outlook should begin syncing your Gmail messages. Give it a few moments, especially if you have a large mailbox, since the first sync can take a little longer than usual. That's it. You've now enabled IMAP in Gmail and started the account connection process in Outlook so the two can sync together.